Hi. This type of question is actually pretty common in PSLE. So usually what they will give you is that they will give you a initial total amount. Then they will give you a condition that the author or the character in the question will actually use or sold uh, a certain amount of the total. And what you need to do is to find the remainder. Okay, and with the remainder they will also give you a second condition, that is the character, whether they did use or sold the item, and what they have will be a leftover. So I call this method the branching method, which I actually taught my child. Okay, you just need to be very careful based on the question given. Is it things like, is it 1/5 kilogram or 1/5 of the total? Because this is a unit, this is part of the total itself. Okay, so let's dive into this question itself. Okay, so based on the question, we know that initially there's 35 kilogram of pistachio nuts and 3/5 of the total. Okay, not 3/5 kg, 3/5 of the total was being sold on Saturday. And we also know that the remainder 4/7 was sold on Sunday. So this is how I draw the diagram. Since 3/5 of the total is sold on Saturday, the remainder has to be 2/5. Okay, because 2/5 plus 3/5 will give you 35 kg back. Okay, so once with that, if 4/7 of the remainder are sold on Sunday, then 3/7 of the remainder has to be whatever that is left over for the character to pack into the bags. Okay, so now we know that R is equal to 2/5 of T. So R is equal to 2/5 of T. Okay, then which means that R, if we substitute T is 35 kg, we will get R is equal to 14 kg. So you know that the number here is 14. Okay, and whatever that is left to pack in the bag is actually 37R. So P is equal to 37. I just represent it by P, called 37R. And if you multiply 37 times 14, because remember we already found that R is 14 kg, then what we have is actually 6 kilo. Okay. Okay. So now the person actually packed the pistachio nut into a bag of 5/8 kg per bag. So if we have 6 kilo, we divide by 5/8 kg. Okay. Total he can pack 9 and 3 and the 5 bags. So remember the figure that you find here is 9 and 3/5 bags, not kg. So in this case, he can actually pack 9 bags. Okay, and what left over is that, okay, a lot of students will assume that 3 and 5, 3/5 will actually is kg, and write the part B answer as 3/5 kg. Actually, it's wrong. Okay, because what left over was 3/5 bag and not 3/5 kg. So you need to find the mass of 3/5 bag. So if you know that each bag is 5/8, so the mass of 3/5 bag is actually 3/5 times 5/8, which when you solve it, you get 3/8 kg. Okay, thanks. Let's hope help.